It's been a year since I made my Turning Red set, and I realized that I can actually make the Tamagotchi nails 3D. So here we go, and first I'm filing my nail tip and buffing it. And I'm going to add the 𝐬𝐴ZEMI Neo Base Gel. Next I'm going to do the same 4-color ombre using the 𝐓𝐷𝐷𝐿 Candy Shop collection. I dab 4 drops of color and then I use a small liner brush to blend everything together. Next I'm going to use my Leaf Gel long liner brush to create some thin white lines and make a grid. And then I'm using a flat brush to fill in a few of the squares randomly. I'm using a very opaque white painting gel from the 𝐬𝐷𝐿 Genie collection. And this will be the base design for our nail. Now I'm mixing the base color for the Tamagotchi charm. It's just some red and crazy top gel. I find it easier to first fill in the little buttons on the Tamagotchi mold. And then cure this before adding in the base color. Be careful to not get any of the gel onto the middle square. Use a liner brush to help you get into all the crevices. Now I'm going to do something special and mix in some glow-in-the-dark powder into some clear gel. And then I'm going to place this gel into the center of the Tamagotchi nail and spread it over the square, which is also the screen of the Tamagotchi. Now cure everything and then pop out the charm. Add some builder gel and then attach it onto the nail. And make sure to fill in the sides that stick out. Now I'm just going to go ahead and paint the rest of the details to match the Tamagotchi from the movie. It's got a bunch of little yellow stars as well. On the side I've also painted a small red panda on a plastic film, and then I trimmed the film so that it can fit into the center of the charm. You want to make sure it is small enough so it can move around freely, and fill it in with whatever else you want. I put in some caviar beads, and then add some more gel around the edges of the square, and place a small plastic film on top to seal it. Cure this in your lamp, and then I also added some builder gel on top of the Tamagotchi to make it smooth and top coated everything. Now the shaker is complete, and you can see that the little red panda and the caviar beads will move around. I think it is so cute to see the panda moving inside. And now here's a nail with the rest of the design. And of course we can't forget about the glow in the dark. Here's how it looks with the screen all lit up. I love that with press-on nails you can change things up so easily. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.